Good morning, students. I'm S. Mohan Sundari, Department of Chemistry. In this video, we are going to discuss Chapter 8 Water. So, in this video, we are going to discuss two topics, that are states of water and importance of water. So, before that, you have to know what is water. So, water is a colorless, odorless, transparent substance. That is, it is neutral in nature. It is neither acidic nor basic. So, that is water. So it is the main component of all the water bodies, that is oceans, rivers, lakes. So it is the main component in these bodies. It is made up of two elements, that is hydrogen and oxygen. So the molecular formula of water is H2O. Two hydrogen is combined with oxygen, so that is water. So now we come to states of water. Water exists in three states, that is solid, liquid and gas. So, what is solid state? Ice is the solid state of water. So, you all know what is ice. The water freezes at particular temperature and it converted into solid substance. So, that is ice. So, water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degree Fahrenheit to form ice. So, the next one, freezing point of water. So, freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius, and then liquid state. So the earth's surface is made up of a liquid state, that is normal water. So we are using this water in various domestic process, that is drinking, washing, bathing, cooking, etc. So we had variety of applications in water. So then the next one is gaseous state. So the gaseous state of water is water vapor. We can't see it, but we can feel the vapor comes out in the boiling process. So the boiling temperature of water is 100 degrees Celsius. In Fahrenheit, it is 212 degree Fahrenheit. So at that temperature, water converted into water vapor, that is gaseous state. So the next one is importance of water. So the importance of water includes variety of applications, that is in agriculture it is very important, in industries it is very important. So in agriculture process, for growing food water is used, and all kinds of crops needs water to grow. And then in industries, there are variety of industries. So for making paper, in making clothes, medicines, chemicals, so in various industries the water has been used. So it requires lots of water for manufacturing that product. So and then vehicles. In vehicles, water is used to keep the things cool, as well as it is used in radiators of vehicles like car, trucks, bus, to keep the engines cool. And then in transport process, so water is also one of the mode of transport. So like land transport, water transport, air transport. So water is a one of the transport way, and then water is used for carrying passengers from one place to another, carrying goods to one place to another, as well as for sailing boats or motor boats and ships. They are used to travel in water bodies. And then the next use is electricity. So in generating electricity, water is used. So at hydroelectric power plant, the speed of water is the falling speed of water is used to generate electricity. So and then it is used to turn the turbines, that is water wheels. So the fast rotating turbines generates the electricity. As well as not only in hydro power plants, in thermal power plants also the water is used. So the steam comes out from the water, is helped to rotate the turbines, and so it generates electricity. So these two topics are completed in this video. So we are going to discuss furthermore topics in our next class. Thank you.